with super extra bass. These wireless earphone comes with a built-in mic for hands-free calling experience even while on the go. With 110 mAh battery, enjoy up to 45 minutes of playtime per 10 minutes of charging. This Boat wireless earphone is built with resolute craftsmanship from premium materials including metal housing earphones and chrome accent, making this earphone both sturdy and stylish. The lightweight design makes this earphone very comfortable. This Boat Rockerz 255 earphone is powered by Qualcomm CSR8635 chipset, which provides the features of the latest Bluetooth version 4.1. Experience powerful HD sound and deep boosted bass with this earphone. With the inline controls, you can toggle the volume, skip tracks, attend calls and activate Siri, Google Now or Cortana voice-controlled smartphone assistants. Boat Rockerz 255 earphone comes in 4 color variants: Active Black, Neon, Ocean Blue and Raging Red. Inside the box you will find earphone, USB cable, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with 1 year of warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.